Good afternoon, beautiful people. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Bitcoin earning website that I started using a little earlier in the year. I think it was around like April or May, a little bit before the summer I started using it, and I've been earning Bitcoin with it ever since. It's really easy to use and really fast to sign up with. I'm going to show you how it works and show you how to sign up. Sorry, when you go to the website, this video will play. That's Darren. Darren's the CEO of this company. I've actually interviewed him on my YouTube channel. You can see like a 30 to 40 minute long interview with me and Darren, the CEO. But what you do is you come up here to where it says register. So after you do that, first name, last name, email, username, password, security question, register, boom, you're done. Literally 30 seconds, sign up. I'm gonna log in. Now an advertisement is going to play. This is actually a paid advertisement. One of their members purchased this advertisement that's counting down from 10 seconds here. You could also run your own advertisements to other products and services that you may be using. Now, when you purchase their product, it is an advertising product, but they have a rebate program that on average pays about 1% a day until 125%. I'm going to show you how that works right now. Let me skip this ad and go into the back office. All right, here we are. This is the navigation in the back office here. If you come over here to the left, we have all our navigation on the left side. What you do, okay, you see down here how it's like I have all these ad packs that I bought. Right here it says total ad packs, $1,580 worth. Okay, what you do is you're going to be buying these packs. Now the packs give you advertising credits. They also allow you to start earning money passively on autopilot. So in order to buy the packs, the first thing you're going to need to do is come to where it says My Wallet. A drop-down window is going to appear. You click Deposit Money. Deposit the amount. In this example, let's say we were going to do $1,000, which is what I'd recommend you start with if you're going to be compounding these things and building it up to a bigger amount. You can pay with Perfect Money, which is a payment processor. I'm in USA. Perfect Money is not available in USA, so I'm just using Bitcoin. Most people use Bitcoin. I highly recommend you use Bitcoin. It's 10 times better than Perfect Money or PayPal or any of their credit cards or anything like that. So we'll use Bitcoin. We're going to click Fund Account. Confirm payment. It's going to bring us to this page. Now they're using Coin Payments as a gateway processor. You do not need to have a Coin Payments account. Let me repeat that because everyone asks. You do not have to have a Coin Payments account. You can use any Bitcoin wallet. So what you do is first you click Bitcoin over here on the left. Then you're going to put in your email. I'm just going to make up some email right here for the example. First name, last name, complete checkout. And it's going to bring you to the wallet address in which you will deposit your Bitcoin to. Now you can scan this QR code right here, or you can just copy this wallet address and send it manually. After you do this, it's going to say payment complete, and it'll take you back to My Passive Trades. So let's just go back to the My Passive Trades website right now. We'll log back in. Okay, so whoever's running this advertisement, they're actually wasting money on their advertisement right now because their website's under construction. But whatever, that doesn't matter. All right, skip the ad, back into the back office. Once your payment deposits into the website, then you're going to come over here to the next step, which is Passive Trade Packs, and you're going to click on Buy Ad Packs. Now, you will have a balance after you deposit. Now, you see right here where it says shares expire after 125%. No surfing required to earn money. It says purchase the above advertising package gives you the following advertising credits. So remember, when you purchase this package, not only are you getting a bunch of advertising credits to send traffic to your business, but on average, it's returned with the rebate program about 1% a day, sometimes up to 1.25% a day, until 125%. So what people are doing is they're compounding these and growing the account bigger and bigger, bigger, therefore increasing their daily rebate bigger and bigger. The packs are $5 each, so the compounding goes very quickly. What you do is you enter in your units. If you were just going to buy one for $5, you put one. If you were going to buy two for $5, you'd put two, and then you'd select which balance to use and then confirm the payment. So we'll click Buy Now, and then it'll give you this little green notification that says shares successfully purchased. Now let's come back into the account, into the overview. Now it'll show you how many you have right here, and then you'll start seeing money start to show up on your account, or well, you'll see it in a dollar amount, but it's representing Bitcoin that's showing up in your account on a daily basis because you purchased their pack. Now, it's very important, and you don't even have to do this, but I recommend you do, is that you actually use the advertising credits to send traffic to your business and create another stream of Bitcoin on top of it. So this right here, just by getting these packs, you've created one stream of income. Now, if you start sending traffic to your business and you have other affiliate products, you can create multiple streams of income, which is what I recommend you do. But again, it's optional, but I'm going to show you how to do it in this tutorial. So come down here where it says My Websites. Now you'll notice if we click on login ads, remember when we logged in and it counted down from 10 seconds, that is a login ad. These are what I recommend you use. Now you can see here, always use your login ads, they're the best. Because everyone has to log in. I have a couple credits here, so you can see I actually have a couple landing pages or sales pages for other products that I am an affiliate for where I can earn more Bitcoin, because people pay me in Bitcoin for these as well. So right here, we're gonna assign a couple credits. And there we go, credits assigned. Same thing with the websites. If you click on My Websites, I'm doing the same thing. See, I have a bunch of credits assigned here. Look, see, these are my websites for different affiliate programs that I'm involved with, and I'm sending traffic to them here. This is where you manage everything. You can assign credits, you can put in your website URL, you can select which days of the week you want traffic to send to it. All that stuff can be done through this little website ad summary. Now, the way that these 1% a day on average are generated, they actually trade Forex and they trade cryptocurrency. So if you come into their Facebook group, My Passive Trades Official, you can actually see them trading the Forex market and trading cryptocurrency live. They do live trading, so you know that they are actually trading, and they actually offer education as well for anyone who wants to learn how to trade themselves. So if you come back into the website here, where it says Trading School, okay, you can actually purchase for 99 bucks right here. They have these different mentoring packages where you can get into private training sessions with professional Forex traders and cryptocurrency traders. Also over here, if you want like a private mentoring where they'll actually work with you one-on-one and teach you how to trade, you can purchase that in here as well. So if you really want to learn how to trade yourself and get privately mentored, you can come in here and purchase these educational packages. But what most people do, and how most people start with this program, is they just come in here and they buy the trade packs and start earning the daily rebate, and they compound them and build their accounts bigger. Again, different options for different goals and whatever you want to do on this website. Purchase advertising. You can buy additional advertising credits as well, but what I recommend is you just do the trade packs, because the trade packs give you all these advertising credits. Manage ads. You can also run banner ads and things like that, and add new banners. I don't really mess with the banners. I just do the website ads and the login ads. Those are the most effective in my experience. Your history. They have a history of all your transactions, your commissions, your deposits, your withdrawals, your subscriptions, all that stuff. They have an optional referrals program. Okay, if you want to do referrals, come back to the account overview. See right here where it says your referral link. That's how you sign people up. Now the referral program is very basic. It's an 8% commission on your first level and a 3% commission on your second level. That's it. Now the commissions, when you have people who deposit and then purchase advertising packs, you get an 8% commission. If those same members that you signed up, if they start purchasing more and compounding, you earn commissions on the compounding as well. So anytime anyone you sign up or anyone that they sign up in your second level purchases an advertising pack, you get a commission off it over and over again. So that's another stream of potential income you can get from this program. So potentially you have a stream of income from the packs, you have a stream of income if you build a referral base, and if you're sending traffic to other products and services and you're closing deals on those other products and services, that's a third stream of income that you can potentially create all within this one program. Let me show you my withdrawal history. If you come over here to the history and we click on withdrawals, it'll have a record of all the withdrawals that we do, and I'm showing you this as an example so that you can see the kind of earning potential that is possible when you learn how to build these programs. You can see here the dates. That is October 17th. That should be today if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, today is October 17th. And you can see there it was October 16th, October 15th, October 14th, 13th, 12th. So I'm withdrawing money almost every single day from this program, and it's a program that pays me every single day, whether I like it or not. At this point, because I've already got it built, it's already paying me out. I am earning this money regardless of whether or not I even do anything right now. So you can see here the dates, and then we can see over here the amounts. $215, $159, $107. Now do keep in mind we are getting paid in Bitcoin here, but they're using USD as the exchange rate. $346 on October 14th, $131 on October 13th, $99 on October 12th, $140 on October 11th. Let's scroll down, see we're still in October, and see now we're in September. Right there you see that's September 29th. We did $155 on September 29th. We did $122 on September 28th. We did $125 on September 27th. So you see this is significant income here. We're doing over $100 every single day. You know, when you build these things like this and you build them the way I teach, you could quit your job and have a lot more freedom in life when you have a passive income program like this that is literally paying you every single day, regardless of whether or not you even do any work. At this point, once you have it built like this is just money that comes in on autopilot. I am literally earning money during my sleep. Warren Buffett said, if you don't learn how to earn money while you sleep, you're going to work until the day you die. I don't know about you. I don't want to spend my whole life working like a slave. I want to go and have fun and have money coming in while I'm having fun, living life on my own terms, doing whatever I want. All right. They have tutorials, the tutorial section. You know, if you need help with how to get started, they have all the tutorial videos right here in the back office. You watch these. It's going to teach you everything that I'm teaching you right now in this video. But, you know, I just put it all in one video, so it's easy for you to understand. You can also keep track of your referrals in here. It'll keep a record of every single person that signs up with you. They have some promotional tools, banners, and stuff like that. I don't really use these banners. I mainly just, you know, talk to people on YouTube and stuff like that. But if you are running traffic from another traffic program and you want to, you know, use these banners and some other advertising campaign you're doing, they have them all in here as well. Back in the Facebook group, this is where you can connect with their professional traders. You can also connect with Darren, the CEO. In fact, I'm friends with Darren on Facebook. I can show you his Facebook profile. You can go ahead and friend request him on Facebook. This is the CEO right here, Darren. My Passive Trades, he is the owner of this program. Now, My Passive Trades is actually, it's under the umbrella of another company called Polaris Universal. And as part of Polaris, which Darren is the CEO of all this, they actually have their own cryptocurrency exchange called Eureka that they just launched. This is the Eureka exchange. And they are also their own blockchain with their own token. So they actually have people that are developing their own blockchain projects. They're developing their own cryptocurrencies using the Eureka blockchain. And it's backed, so My Passive Trades is backed by Forex trading and cryptocurrency trading, which they prove. They live stream it in their Facebook group and they post trade reports. And it's also backed by an actual cryptocurrency exchange and a blockchain project. So this is why I would consider this more stable than a lot of other passive income programs or rev share programs out there, because this is actually backed by real products and a real blockchain. You know, I tend to stick to programs where the CEOs are working directly with us, where they're talking to us, doing interviews with us. That way we can just basically do our best to choose the best ones that aren't going to scam people, that are going to be there for the long term and run an honest and legit program. So that is My Passive Trades. 30 seconds. You can sign up for this thing. Click the link in the description of this video. All right, everyone have a wonderful day. Sean Logan signing out.